Hi everyone, welcome to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom using cardboard. So to start with, I've just got an ordinary glass and we're going to make a cardboard template. So I'm going to draw around the glass twice. You can use just need some thin cardboard. So I've just used an Amazon box. And we're going to draw around that. Now we're going to cut it out. Cut out our two circles. You don't need thick cardboard, just need some quite thin cardboard, then it's easy to cut. So we're going to cut each circle out like so. Doesn't matter if it's not super neat because we're not going to see it anyway. Then, using a penny, I'm just going to draw a smaller circle through the centre. Then I'm just going to draw two lines where I'm just going to cut a space that will allow the wool to go through. Then we're going to cut this out. Cut round the small circle in the centre. And then our piece comes out. Then to do the second one, I'm just going to use the first one as a template and draw around it. Then they'll be the same, like so. Draw around, cut around the circle. Now that our template is complete, we're going to put the two pieces together and we're going to start wrapping the wool around the piece of cardboard, putting it through the slit that we've made to make it easier. We're just going to keep wrapping it, covering all the base of the cardboard. We're going to go all the way across to a similar position to where we started on the other side, like so, and then we'll start going back again. And we're going to keep doing this until we think our pom-poms as full as what we want it to be. So now we've got our pom-pom and the wool looks quite chunky, so we're going to stop there. So I'm going to cut that piece off and then I'm just going to cut another length of wool and I'm going to thread that through my two pieces of cardboard so that when I start to cut the wool, it's going to catch it and hopefully keep it all contained so we don't lose the woolen bits. Then I'm going to take my scissors. I'll get some. We'll use these ones because these are better for cutting through. Then I'm going to put my scissors through the centre of the card and I'm going to start snipping away at the wool. As you can see, all the wool's starting to come loose now, so hopefully this piece of string is going to catch it and stop it all falling through. But it is worth just holding your hand there just to make sure none's going to escape. We'll carry on snipping in between the two pieces of card. Okay, when we've got to the other side, we're going to take the wool and we're going to wrap it all the way up to the top of the pom-pom, securing all the wool. And then we can take away one of the pieces of card and that allows us to tie it. We'll tie it tight. We'll tie it in a double knot. Okay, now we can take away the other piece of card. And then now all that's left to do now is to trim off the longer pieces and tidy up the pom-pom, make it look a bit neater. And there we have a fluffy looking pom-pom ready for crafts. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.